Baba J with BabaSkeng.
Bumbo clock. Me see last night when me I got me bed. But me never know who.
Okay, sad.
I just want a little piece of sit me see with two pictures. Me I say me I put two and two together. Me see when the dog like
Why
what.
you see the whole altercation?
You see what see
Bro, me say Brawling a dark in there.
Jano. You fuck up.
I think we need to have I need all of us as Jamaicans to have a prayer meeting for this place. Me
So
think,
what are they? Where you come from?
I think Red Hills Road.
Oh.
Yeah, I think the Jamaicans need to have a prayer service, man, and just invite back God in a thing. You know them like we are there? Yeah, man, open them hearts to the Almighty, you know? Like, bro, let me tell you something. You see, when God in a thing, it care nice. You understand me? You see, for once a Satan in a thing, it a go cause all kind of turmoil and destruction. You understand me? We have to invite the Lord back into this. You understand me? I say, you have to, the most of them have to consecrate them soul. Pray and ask God for the deliverance for this year up here. You understand me? The people who take this serious over here, I think them need to have a worship. You understand me? A worship. I want to say worship. Me no mean none of the fake shit them what them do for gifts and them thing. You understand me? Like a real intervention. Like to say, all right, let's invite the Lord back into the vlogging. Let's invite the Lord back into our lives. Let's invite the Lord back into a clean mind space. You know what I'm looking weird there? We have to do that, bro. Because if you don't realize, true God not in anything, it thing really a fuck up. You understand what I deal with me, G? Because, bro, you see, anyway, Father God there, so much turmoil no go on with them, boy. You understand what I mean?
I no joke.
Yeah, man. You see, for once God involved, everything smooth, everything nice. Me, I tell you that. At first, and me know that, me see that, me know for myself. So for once you invite God and say, all right, God, are you me a work with? Are you me a follow? Everything sweet, man. No, too much spiciness. Too much.
Too raunchy.
Yes, man. You fuck up in our little fuck up with your dog.
I just got back home from the show. Well, not home, I just got back to my hotel room, but I just watched the video of the Tik Toker who was fatally shot on Riddles Road. And I say, yo, I'm shaking up your fuck. Like, I don't know how to feel because this is now becoming a trend. Like, how much TikToker you know are dying in the last few months on TikTok live. You get me? And yeah, we live in Jamaica, we know people dead every day. We know about gun violence, unfortunately. Or something we just know about because it happened. But it's just like, we literally watch all of this unfold right in front of our eyes. Everybody's on the app. Pick me, young, old, everybody's on the app. I'll just fucking watch this shit take place. Every week, every month, somebody else I drop. I'm too stunned to speak.
If you have a message for the world and the youths and them right now, what would it be?
Stick to your culture, stick to your roots, know the rich heritage, defend your land, lead by example, educate the children so they can lead and educate others. Put the differences aside, unity is strength, and remember now, each one, teach one. Be strong and be supportive of each other. Respect.
Love it.
Young youth, two things they don't ever make call by your name no matter what. Because you see, once them two things are called by your name, you can't bounce back from it. Reputation, mash up credibility, tarnish. You see, rape and thief, Don't ever make them something they call by your name no matter what.
To the people out there and everyone watching, I can only say yesterday was one of the hardest part in like yesterday at the hospital and wait for the doctor results. Or they yesterday for know to the doctor then come over and tell me yes. The doctor is wrong here. And the doctor had a lot of water in his lungs. And I had to send it out to some way to get tested, and I don't know when is it coming back. And when is it coming back. When I hear anything else there, I could lose my mind, like, by being honest, but that thing want me to do now. It's straight from my heart. Everybody who out there who selling love Adrian on, want to be there for Adrian, Adrian don't want like violence. I tell you the truth from my heart. From my heart, Adrian don't like violence. Adrian is not a violence girl, so if you please love me that you stop the violence, you protest in a normal way, please.
You have some sort of people love fitting themselves on people's status. As they post something so them fitting themselves and me she attack and me attack. Stop fitting yourself on people's status. We don't remember you. We not 7 or 11 years, we don't remember you. Everything we post, you fitting yourself on it. Stop say people's status and fitting yourself because we don't remember you. And on you we attack, we don't remember you. We not 7 or 11 years. So stop fitting yourself on the status. Everything we post, you try to fit in yourself on the status. You remember you?
Yeah, man, I say, if I ride it, man, shove it in hot plate, man.
Yeah, catch it?
Yeah.
Things that urinate or defecate, no feed in your yacht or your plate. Sip vegetable straight, egg in the cake, room got a bake. Watch your man.
That is it, man. Out here in Europe, you know?
Hot and ready, hot and ready,
Yeah.
hot and ready.
Yeah. One hot plate.
See there, hot and ready. With that great, you know I brought my hot plate. With that great.
That is it.
Don't have to stay, no, don't have to stay far from the nut straight.
Very far.
197.